Alright everybody, welcome to Code Leveler. So today we are going to solve the 962 problem of the day. So the title is maximum width ramp. So this is a given problem is a medium one. So the given topics are array stack and monotonic stack. Okay, so let's see some discussions here. Think this got wait a minute. Okay, we are going to have a time limit exceeding problem. Okay, so we should have our notation properly here, I think so. And many of them has got about 90 of this test cases passed out of 101. Okay, so there are going to be 101 test cases here. So a ramp in an integer array nums is a pair I comma j for which I less than j and nums of I less than or equal to nums of j. The width of such a ramp is j minus I. Given an integer array nums, return the maximum width of a ramp in nums. If there is row ramp in nums, okay, nums array, return 0. So I think we should be providing the maximum width as 0. So okay, maximum width is equal to 0. Okay, we are going to return maximum width. So I am returning this here. So once again, we are given a nums. Okay, first let me just tell you how this works. So what is a ramp? A ramp is nothing but an integer in an integer array is just a pair of which I less than or I less than j and nums of I less than or equal to nums of j, and the width is such a ramp is j minus I. So for a pair to be having a ramp, let's consider this case 6081282215. Here for this case I less than j, we will be having like, okay, so we are going to check 0 and 5. Here 0 is less than 5 because and okay, sorry, 1 less than 5 because the index value of 0 is 1 and the index value of 5 is 5. Okay, and nums of 5 less than or equal to nums of j, which implies 0, this value will be less than or equal to 5. Okay, less than or equal to 5. I think this is okay, and we should be returning the width, where width is equal to j minus I, which implies 0 5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. We should be having the minimum width should as 4. Okay, so I am going to solve this problem in two methods, one by using array and another one by using monotonic stack. So first I will just solve this by array. Okay, let me just show that using array by 2 pointer. Okay, I am going to use here 2 pointer method. So let's start the problem. Okay, I think I'm going to just introduce a variable for uh, okay, I'm going to introduce a variable for no, don't need the variables. I'm going to create an integer array to store the index values. Okay, index is equal to new int. Okay, this is going well. Num start length, and going to iterate through this. Int I is equal to 0, I less than num start length I plus plus nums of index of I. Okay, my lap is just index of I is equal to I. Okay, so just store the index values here. So the values will be like let's see 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. I'm going to use this case as an example here. Okay, same goes for here, so let's just consider this one. Okay, both examples are just same. So now we should be think I might just you sort the indexes of the array based on the values in nums. Okay, think that might work. Okay, sort the values based on the indexes, right? Based on the values in nums. So we are just going to sort the values based on the indexes and nums. Just going to do like this. Okay, so first we are going to add this position for the indexes, right? Like 1 for 0 and 2 for 1 for 4, so like this 4, and then 3 might 3 5 0 and 2. Okay, and then the indexes are sorted. So now I are going to sort the values. Okay, 0 1 2 and 5 and 6 and 8. Okay, now just going to create the function to do that just by using the array start sort. I think it will make this complex because it will be going like I think it might take the complexity as big O of n log n, right? I think big O of n log n, or going to do this to starting big O of n log n big O of n log n then where a comma b which specifies the I think I just made some mistake in here. I think the sorting function should be not. I'm going to use an arrow function. Let's use target value here. Index. Index represents this one. We are going to sort based on the indexes, right? So the indexes should be, I'm going to use a comparator here. Okay, integer dot compare nums of a comma nums of b, comparator, to check if it is greater than or equal. Okay, for this a and b, as is the indexes. Okay, these are the indexes. So we are just sorted them to be like this one. Okay, and let's just traverse and track the minimum index to calculate the maximum width. Track minimum index and track the maximum width, okay, which we are going to return. So let's go through the indexes. Int I colon index. Okay, now let's find the minimum min index. Okay, let's just quickly assign value int minimum index is equal to 0. We are already initialized this maximum width in here. Okay, so let's just continue with it. Minimum index will be math dot min function we are going to use here. So the minimum index will be like minimum index min index comma this value, ith value. Okay, we just found the minimum index and let's calculate the maximum width. Maximum width is equal to maximum width. Okay, maximum width is equal to math dot max of this max width. All right, this max width with the value. Okay, we are just going to use this one. Okay, like j minus I. So we are going to calculate with the minimum index. So the value should be this ith value minus min index which we calculated, which is I, and here the I is j. We should consider like that. So this condition is satisfied, and this condition is satisfied in the sorting function. Okay, so now let's just run this quickly. Okay, I just missed the semicolon here. I didn't specify the value. Okay, let's just run this, hope this works. Okay, once again here made a mistake. Okay, why am I getting this here? So int is not applicable, not a generic one. Okay, this is an integer, right? So it should be compared with an integer value, right? Primitive value. So okay guys, let's just change this quickly. Integer and again this one to integer. Okay, let's just run this again. Okay, we are getting an error here. Min index. Okay, we are getting a wrong value. 5 and here 9. Okay, there's something wrong here, I think. Okay, oh right, the okay, the minimum index value should be the length of the nums length, right? Nums length, right? So let's just change this quickly because we are just finding the minimum length, so it should not be 0. Nums dot length, length. So let's just run this again. Alright, let's just run. Let's just submit this. Okay, so but it takes 55.73% memory usage, so I think it's because of this sorting function, right, which takes this much time complexity. So let's just solve this by using without sorting function, right, with the help of monotonic stack. Okay, just wait a minute. Monotonic stack, I think I heard about it, right? Okay, let's just add the solution here. Don't want to waste time. EC Java 2 pointer using arrays. Okay, time complexity is big of n log n. This n and log n is for the traversal. Okay, traversing and starting, both the ones. So space complexity, think for the space complexity max width is, I think, 0 big O of 1. Okay, thinks that one's big O of 1. So start this quickly. I just don't want to waste time. I'm just going to post this real quick. Okay, let's just solve this problem once again by using monotonic stack. So So guys, let's just use this. Okay, sorry guys, my keyboard was not functioning properly. My end tab keys are not working properly, so I'm just switching my external keyboard. So guys, um, let's just quickly okay. I think it is an internal error guys. I can't run this problem, so um, okay guys, let's just meet in another tutorial where we can solve this problem in other ways by using stack. Okay, sorry guys. Okay guys, let's meet in another tutorial. Okay guys, if you like this method or video, just like, share and subscribe. Until then, goodbye.